Hello heroes! In previous video I showed you how to avoid shaky footage despite the movements using gimbal stabilizer. You find the link of gimbal testing in description. Now I'm gonna show you 4 benefits of Zhiyun Evolution 3-axis gimbal. I'll appreciate if you share your experience in comments. Let's begin. As you can see, I mounted Hero 4, which was protected by the cap lens. Before pressing the power button and holding a joystick, I am going to mount gimbal on my monopode. There is 1/4-inch port at the bottom, so you will be able to mount any equipment with 1/4 screw, such as monopode, tripod or something else. This is my monopode. The nice thing, it can be expanded. It's very easy to make this gimbal with any accessories. I'm going to get the aerial effect. Let's see what I got. After monopode expanding, we lift it up. It's very useful during outdoor festivals. As you can see, you will get a better view than ordinary recording, and your footage isn't shaky at all. Just compare the phone results with mine. It goes without saying what's better. Compare once more. The girl is recording and there is people's hand in the frame. And compare it with this view. I should say that we can avoid shaky footage and get the better view at the same time. If I record in 4K, I will be able to zoom in editing program. The next important thing is ability to charge your camera using additional cable. The charging cable and AV output cable are included. So you will be able to charge camera using gimbal batteries. First you need to remove your camera from the gimbal. Then insert a cable this way. After that, mount your camera. Finally, open the side door and interconnect your camera. We can see a red LED, so our camera is charging. Sometimes I use portable charger to charge my camera. The good thing, the side door can be easily removed. The third benefit is the powerful batteries. So while the gimbal supports a continuous runtime of up to 14 hours. It's 6 times more than GoPro's battery works. I have never seen the end of gimbal's battery life, because the recording time of GoPro cameras is no longer than 2 hours. A smart 5-way joystick is all you need to command your gimbal to work, and switch mode or camera angle. Pan following mode is the default mode. The pitch and roll are locked. Pan rotates smoothly following the grip. Pushing the joystick up or down can be adjusted to pitch angle. For example, this way you can film higher buildings or tall trees. Locking mode. Pan, pitch and roll are all locked. This is the most appropriate mode for filming static subjects. Push the joystick to right or left to adjust the pan angle. Following mode. Roll is locked, and pan and pitch rotate smoothly following the grip. Push the joystick to right or left to adjust the roll angle. All 3 modes are available to feel comfortable during recording. That's all heroes. I'll appreciate if you share your experience and write all benefits you found or you think must be in gimbal stabilizers. After that, I'll create the video of gimbal's features that must be included in 2018. Please subscribe to get more and see you soon.